108 Tips to Learn English. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, give your like, and share it with your friends. Tip 12. Why? Why? Question. Why did you arrive late? Because. Answer. Because no taxi was free. Exceptions. Why in affirmative sentences? To express an action reason. I don't know why he arrived late. To introduce a relative clause. The reason why he arrived late is not clear. Reported speech. Example after said, asked, want to know, wonder, can remember. I asked him why he had arrived late. Expressions. That's why I arrived late. Grammar. Regular verbs, e.g. walk, laugh, play, talk, study, and so on. Important. Present tense is not conjugated, but change the spelling in the third person singular, he, she, it. Person. I. You. He, she, it, we. You, they. Present tense. I walk. You walk. He walks. She walks. It walks. We walk. You walked. They walk. Past tense. Walked. Past participle. Have walked. Has walked. Have walked. Present participle. I am walking. You are walking. He, she, it is walking. We, you, they are walking. Important. Regular verbs. Present tense not conjugated. Third person singular plus s. I walk every day and Mary walks each 2 days. Past tense not conjugated. Infinitive plus ed. I walked every day and Mary walked each 2 days. Past tense already happened. Completely finished. Example. I walked every day last year. Finished action in the past. Important to walk. Past participle already happened. Completely finished. Example. I have walked every day last year. Finished action in the past. Important last year. Present participle already happened and continues in the present. Example, He is walking every day since last year. Exercises. Fishing. I cook every night. Lily rests at least 8 hours every night. I wash my hands frequently. He laughs very easily. Touch it carefully, please. Mary and John are talking friendly. Walter walks during 1 hour every day. Answer. Why did John arrive late? Because he walked very slowly. Why did John cook so well? Because he had studied at Culinary Institute, Barcelona. Why is she feeling better? Because she is walking 1 hour every day. Why has she worked there? Because it is a very good company. Why do you wonder about? Because I wonder about everything.